Listening comprehension is a critical skill that allows us to fully engage in communication, whether in casual conversations, speeches, or lectures. It goes beyond just hearing words. It requires focus, patience, and practice. In daily life, we rely on good listening to follow instructions, learn new things, and respond effectively. When listening to a speech or lecture, focus on identifying the main points. These are often emphasized through repetition, examples, or pauses. To remember and process this information, summarizing and note-taking are invaluable tools. By writing down keywords and ideas as you listen, you can turn those notes into a concise summary. For instance, in a lecture about healthy living, the key points might include eating balanced meals, regular exercise, and sufficient rest. Neglecting any of these can lead to poor health, while embracing them leads to success. By practicing listening, note-making, and summarizing, you can enhance your understanding and communication skills.